All right, hey guys, welcome to my, you gonna let me talk? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I just, sit down, thank you. I just got my package from my Melanin from Naptural.
You bought that?
Yes, I bought it from Naptural85's her hairline, her Melanin Hair Care, and I'm super excited about it. So I wanted to quickly show you guys what I purchased, because I am about to wash my hair. I haven't washed my, and I'm going to use these products and give you guys my honest opinion about it. Of course, I have the multi-use pure oil blend, and it is a lightweight, non-greasy oil, so it helps soften, detangle, and lock in moisture. So this says a little goes a long way and used pretty much as a sealant. So I purchased this, and I love this. This is like key. I always use a nozzle with my oils, and I hate when I get an oil that does not come with a nozzle. So that just makes me love this even more. Next, of course, I purchased the Twist and Elongating Styling Cream. It really doesn't smell like anything, which is good to me. No, it doesn't smell like anything, Isaiah. So yeah, so I won't be doing a wash and go with this. I'm gonna probably end up doing maybe a braid. Okay. So I'm probably gonna end up doing a flat twist, braid out, twist out, something of that nature with this. I also purchased the head wrap as well, and I'm a little bit disappointed in this head wrap. I don't know what I was thinking, but I hate putting stuff on my hair that doesn't have, yes baby, that doesn't have any like silk lining in it. And honestly, I would have paid probably a little bit more for this if it had some type of lining in it, because it's just like fabric with her, of course, her logo. Yeah, I mean, it's cute though. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but it's cute. And then you got cards that Isaiah bent. Pretty much of what you contained, and then just like cute little cards. It's got some info on it, and then this cute little sucker.
I got that sucker for you.
You got the sucker from me?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I think that I bought all this and they put it in there. So I'm gonna go wash my hair, and then I will be back a little bit later. I'm gonna wash, deep condition, all that good, wonderful stuff. Shouldn't take me long. And then I'll be back with styling my hair in just a little bit. not mad at it. I'm not mad at it.
Look, how many artists
Supposed to be a snap. Go ahead and tell you guys my true thoughts on the Melanin Hair Care, if that's what you want. Yeah, Melanin Hair Care line by Naptural85. I did purchase the elongating style cream and the multi-use pure oil blend. All right, so I did use my favorite leave-in conditioner. After washing my hair, I used the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I've been using that for years now, and my hair really likes it, and I really like it. So I went on ahead and used what I normally did, and then I went straight in and applied the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. So first things first, when I applied the cream, the styling cream, the product just set on my hair. That's kind of why I was giving faces, because when I started back here, I was like, I just wasted a whole bunch of money again, which is why I'm so sick and tired of buying these natural hair products. So it just kind of set on my hair, but then I did remember that it's buildable, and it does say on the back of here that it is a buildable cream. And so I was like, let me just go ahead and apply some more, because this is either going to turn out great or it's just going to be a freaking mess. And so I started applying more, and I felt the difference, but not by much. It wasn't until my third twist I was like, wait a minute, I think I may really like this, simply because one, it started clumping my curls, my kinks, my curls, whatever you want to call them. It started clumping my hair together when using it with my Denman brush, and I was like, wait. Secondly, I noticed that for some odd reason, this cream made my hair feel a lot thicker than what it really was, than what it really is. And I don't know what kind of sorcery that is, but I was like, so by the time I was on my third twist, I could definitely tell the difference. I can feel the difference. My hair was soft, and it just felt really moisturized. It just felt like there was just a lot of moisture, which is something that's very hard for me to get in my hair, and then keep in my hair as well. By the time I finished my style, I was wanting to shout, because my hair was shiny, which is a big problem for me. So my twists came out exactly as I expected. They came out really defined, but that's nothing new for me. Speaking of the cream, it's not that it's thick, but it's not thin either. It's definitely, as it claims, it is for sure a lightweight cream. And I think that's another reason why I really like it, because I don't like to put that much product in my head, and I do love the fact that it's buildable without being too greasy and overdone. I put a lot of this product in my hair, and I did not once feel like my hair was just way down or greasy or heavy or anything like that. So if you're very heavy-handed with product, period, you would really like the Twist Elongating Style Cream. I keep wanting to call it something else. So yeah, you'd really like this. So as far as the oil goes, you guys, it is a non-greasy oil, and I don't really know how that is possible, but it's possible. This oil it's everything that it claims to be. It is lightweight, it is non-greasy. For me, it's probably gonna be a staple sealer, simply because I don't really like my hair feeling greasy and oily and all that kind of stuff, and it's super lightweight. I don't like. So as far as taking my twist out, my hair did not feel, unfortunately, as hydrated, as moisturized, as anything as it did, excuse me, last night. That's my only big negative, and I don't really know why that is. I don't know too much about ingredients, so I will have to look that up myself, and I probably should have done that before I got on this like this video, but Isaiah down there sleeping and I had to come on here and make it while my hair still looked good. I was in an okay mood and he was quiet, or else it was just gonna be chaos in the next hour and I would never get this video done. But anyways, so it does have some types of alcohols in here that I do know. If they are good or bad alcohols, I'm not 100% sure, but I'll have to look that up, and yeah, maybe I'll put it in the description box if you don't know, so that, you know, we'll both be learning something today if we both don't know. Yeah, but as far as this being an elongating styling cream, I definitely do think that both products do what they say they are meant to do. Will I ever do a wash and go with this product? Maybe. It may be coming very soon. I don't know. I'm not like saying I will or I won't, but I mean, I'm up to try it, because if I don't like it, I will wash it out and throw a wig on. It's just as simple as that. So yeah, guys, I'm very happy with the products. I do not feel like I wasted my money, and I'm very proud that Natural came out with something. Let's just talk. I'm just gonna talk really fast about her. Pretty much with everyone I know, if you are a natural girl, even if you aren't natural, you know who Whitney is. She was one of the first people that I followed on my natural hair journey, and that I continue to follow, mainly because she just made things very easy. She kept things very simple, and I love seeing her grow. I love seeing her come out with her new line. Everything from her shea butter mix to like just her whole life, you know. I'm very, like, you know, you just be proud of people, and I'm very proud of her. She probably could have sold like air in a can and I would have bought it, because I've been like, I got some of that Whitney air and I would have paid $50 for nothing. That's how much I will support someone just for helping me along like my journey. I don't know her, she doesn't know me. However, let's just say that like these bombed for me and I did not like them. If she came out with shampoo and conditioner and edge control in a month, I would still go buy those products, because I believe someone like that deserves a chance, and she's made a really big impact within the natural hair community. And so I'm like right here, which I will give her my money, because I'd rather give her my money than a couple other companies that are just repackaging the same stuff and calling it something different. I'd rather just give these up and coming people a chance when it comes to black hair care and all that jazz. So that's my spiel. That's pretty much it. I'm not gonna keep talking, because you know, y'all know by now I can talk. If you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, please put them down below. I feel like I just messed up the shape. Please put them down below, and of course I will answer them. And that's it. Let me, if you have the product as well, let me know what you think about it. Let me know the combinations that you've tried as well, what works, what doesn't work, this, that, and the other. Okay, now I'm done talking. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.